Hey, what's up guys? So I want to break down this beautiful trade here. As you guys can see, we did take this trade with the signal group, as you guys can see. About yeah, I don't think it's gonna freaking focus, but GBP buy position about 1,800 on the day. But not only that, we have a small runner over here running, so you know the vibes. Now, every single trade I call, we literally call it for the signal group. We call it for everybody that literally is there for us. And tonight we called it on the YouTube live stream. So this is why I want to break down this trade. This is going to be a quick breakdown for you guys. That way you guys can actually learn why I took this position and how I took this position. Now, I took this position based off of, Asian session, extreme volume to the upside, right? You guys can clearly see that we are continuously making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Right over here, we broke the high. So what's going to come? A higher high. That's what I was expecting. Now, price did shoot up about 10, 12 pips in profit over here and then decided to come back down for this Fibonacci long. As you guys can see, you guys can draw your Fibonacci from there, from this push, right? From the start of the push, as I always say. From the start of the push to the top of the push for that retracement buy at the golden zone level right over here. So right over here, you guys clearly see, price decides to come down and push up to the upside. Now, why did it push up to the upside, you might ask, right? On the 15-minute time frame, what do we get over here, guys? The same exact setup that we always freaking talk about. Same exact setup we talk about. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what that setup is. Setup's right over here. Dr. Dollar candle setup right over here. As you guys can see, beautiful Dr. Dollar candle setup. We have a support. You have that support. You have a support being respected with a long wick rejection and a small body, right? So that's telling you reversal point. Now, a lot of my students did re-enter somewhere above these highs over here, and then one of my students entered over here. Now, reason for that is because he was anticipating the breakout, right? We made a higher high, then the higher low came, so then what comes next? The higher high. Pretty much basic market structure, guys. Now, we did beautifully execute on this position based off of this 30-minute pullback right over here. This 30-minute pullback happened, then we saw a, this push to the upside. This 30-minute pullback, sorry. This 30-minute pullback happened, then we see that push to the upside, which, I would have hit TPs quicker, but I actually like having my 20 pip stop loss, because if we hit 20 pips in profit, it's going to be less likely that price comes back to my break even, right? Now, when I do have a 10 pip stop loss, what usually happens is price would come up here. Let's say I took my same entry, right? Price comes up here, 10 pip stop loss and a 10 pip gain. So what happens after I hit TP1 every single time? What happens is I go stops to break even, right? So thank God I didn't put stops to break even on this position here. I put stops right below these lows over here. Reason for that is because, price can come down back into this range, but still respect this 8 SMA and continue to the upside. As you guys can see, price comes down, boom. Price comes down, boom. Beautiful little trade here, boom. So we see that we're respecting that 8 SMA. It's a big factor of why I took this position. It's just based off this market structure and SMA confluence. Then not only that, once we understand that we're bullish and we're looking for Fibonacci longs, we're waiting for those Fibonacci long setups to play out. Now, as you guys can see over here, not only do we have this Fibonacci long, but if you go down to the 5-minute time frame, we have a mini Fibonacci long from right over here to right over here. Now, what was the price action that told me to buy? Was all of these rejections here to the downside telling me, okay, price is ready to fucking mop up here, right? We're getting massive rejections to the downside, and then we get that massive push to the upside. What is that telling me? That's telling me that price is ready to go bullish. So once this candle here closed bullish, I was like, okay, I'm in my position right over here. I'm anticipating that breakout. We saw a quick 10 pips in profit. Price decided to come back, respect SMAs though, and then just to continue up. Now, price then made another Fibonacci, because remember, guys, after a higher high comes what? A higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. Entry, another re-entry if you guys wanted to enter there, re-entry. Remember, as I always tell my signal group, the trade is invalid once that trade hits stop loss, which is rarely. But we make sure that you guys understand every single freaking trade. Now, I only break down the trades that I call on live stream. Just so the people who don't show up to the live streams, can still get the knowledge. At the end of the day, guys, I do this for you guys, and I do it for free. Why do I do it for free? Because I make money trading. So make sure you guys are understanding that, guys. You guys can see right over here, these are our results, and we just added another green check mark to these results. So guys, the wins aren't going to stop coming. There's a reason why 250 fucking people pay for it. And we have a whole signal group here as well. We have a nice little freedom trade. Oh, sorry, not this one. We have a whole freedom trading, you know, take TP smashed on both positions. Moolah Flow, you know, made a beautiful amounts of gains today, which is absolutely amazing. You know, these guys are absolutely killing it. They give themselves, you know, beautiful motivation throughout the chat. We understand that we are all on the same goal. We're all on the same mission. We don't talk down on each other. I allow absolutely zero hate in between our students. Reason for that is because I want a professional community, but we still have fun doing it, right? We still have fun, we still laugh together, but we are very professional in the sense that if anyone here hates on anyone else, they will get automatically kicked out, because that is not the goal. Look at this guy right here, $1,362 in profit over here, which is absolutely amazing. Not only that, you get, you know, but yeah, guys, we have an absolutely amazing community. If you guys click the free Telegram, you guys will see the link down below. Again, guys, I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. You know, I'm here for you guys. I've been extremely active on my YouTube channel, and I appreciate all the support. Oh, let me go ahead and show you. We actually hit, you know, 3.54K. We're about to hit 3.6 in one freaking night. Beautiful stream here we had today. We had 250 people watching us trade live. Gave away a 25K nations challenge. So guys, I'm telling you guys, I literally am for the people. I don't care to give back to my supporters. No other YouTube live streamer does it like me. No YouTube live streamer gives away as much as I do. It's because they don't got it like me. Simple. Love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, turn on post notifications as well so you guys know when I go live, when I drop vlogs, breakdowns, all that stuff. Love you guys. Peace.